Hello everybody, in this video we are going to open not 1, not 2, but 10 sandboxes. Let's see what we shall get. Go to shop, sunflower, and then essentially we can get a 30% chance to get 20 scarecrow and 100 water, that's worth 70 LE. 30% chance to get 2 small pots, that's 100 LE. 30% chance to drop 1 sunflower sapling, 100 LE. 9.9% chance to drop 1 times sunflower mama, that is 200 LE, so you actually gain. And of course the elusive 0.1% to drop a seed. Now this is what we are looking for. Without further ado, let's go. Let's open one sandbox. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Sunflower mama. Alright, that's a good start. Let's continue. That's 200 LE. Second one. Scarecrow. Alright, so 270 LE. Third one. Come on. Oh, sunflower mama again. 470 LE. Out of 300 so far. Let's go. Box number 4. Seed. 2 small pots, okay. 570 LE out of 4 boxes. Let's go for box number 5. Seed. Come on. Scarecrow. 640 out of 5 boxes. Box number 6. Pray with me, come on. Water again. 710 out of 6 boxes. Still in the lead, I guess. Let's go. Box number 7. I'm not gonna look. Sapling. Alright, I looked. Okay, so that's how much are we at now? 840 of 7 boxes. Alright, last 3 boxes to go. Box number 8. Come on. Okay, alright. I'm gonna have so much water after this. So that's how much are we at? I don't know. I've lost count. I just want to see. Come on. Okay, 2 more boxes to go. Box number 9. Please. Okay, sapling, I'll take it. Last box. Come on, it's now or never. Alright. Should we stop here? No, I think we should just put one last box. Lucky box number 11. Here we go. Are you ready? Opening. Okay, that's it for today. Too much water, too much scarecrows. Alright, till tomorrow. Let's try again. Bye everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like it.